I don't actually know what I'm gonna say yet, but let's wait till the plane goes. Hey guys, it's Angela, and we are here at the Lincoln Memorial in Washington, D.C., and I'm here with my friend Andy. And he's helping me record this very exciting day. Never in my dreams would I have imagined this happening, so follow me. Look, Andy. These are my pictures. Those are my pictures.
That's pretty crazy, though.
Yeah. They are going to have even more. They're supposed to have more, but I think they sold out of postcards already. They already had to reorder them. They've only been in stock for a week.
Oh, wow.
Less than a week. And they've already sold out of them. So there's 8x10 prints and postcards. And they're in all the gift stores in the National Mall.
Oh, wow. That's...
One. Wow, these are nice.
How much do they cost?
I don't know.
Oh. Wow, $8. What a steal.
That's sick. I'm buy them all. All right. Thank you. I didn't even know that bookstore was there.
I didn't either.
Yeah. So these are my postcards. These are the only ones that I could get because all the other ones were sold out, and so exciting. I've always gone to national parks and always were like, oh, how do you get into the national parks and the gift stores? And it happened. Dreams come true. Thank you.